Alright my friends, in this ManyChat tutorial video, I'm going to share with you 3 key elements that your messenger bot must have. So the first element that your bot needs to have is it needs to have a greeting text. Okay, so as soon as somebody, your client, your prospect, clicks on your messenger bot button there, that's going to take them over to your bot, then you want to have a greeting text on there to show them how to get started. The second element that you need is going to be a welcome page. And so once they click through that, they're going to have a welcome page come up and they're going to show exactly where you want them to go and what you want them to do on that welcome page. So again, just welcoming them to your bot, welcoming them to your fan page, letting them know that you are there to help them move through the process of where you want to take them to. And so the third element that your messenger bot must have is it needs to have a menu. So at the bottom of that messenger bot, when it pops up, there'll actually be a main menu on there that'll actually take them to other places as well, and you can give them either website links, freebies, take them over to your YouTube channel, Instagram, wherever you want them to go, you can use that in that main menu. So let's go ahead and jump on the computer, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set all this up and how you can get started right away. So make sure you stick around. Hello my friend, Bob Brown here. Hey, if you're an active subscriber, I want to say welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you are new to the channel, really appreciate you stopping by here, checking out my videos. Hope you stick around, watch some more videos. But if you're a network marketer, affiliate marketer, online marketer, and you're looking for the tools, tips, and training to leverage social media to build your online business, network marketing business, then you're in the right place. So if you want more videos like this, all you got to do is smash that subscribe button, click on the bell notification. That way you're going to get notified every time I put out a new video that's going to help you to build your social media arena and to grow your business online. I'm going to walk you through the steps necessary to be able to actually set up your greeting text inside the back office of your fan page here, and then how that connection is going to take place with ManyChat and how you're actually going to use that on your Facebook Messenger to begin to generate leads, sales, signups for your businesses and products on your messenger bot. So let's go ahead and jump into this and we'll get right at it. All right, my friends, here we are on my fan page. What we are going to do on the fan page here is show you how to actually set up your greeting text, or where you actually turn this on so that people will actually see your greeting text here in your fan page. And then I'm going to show you how to connect your messenger bot to your fan page, and then we're going to get up and running with this so you can start generating leads and sales from your fan page and from your messenger bot. So these are going to be 3 key elements that your messenger bot must have. And so let's jump into this and I'll show you. All right, so on your fan page here, what you want to do is go ahead and click on Settings. This is going to bring up the General Settings tab, and you want to go up to Messaging here. Click on the Messaging button. So inside this area right here, there's actually 3 toggle switches that we want to make sure are turned on so that we're getting the best use of our messaging settings that are in here. So the first one we want to do is the return key. Now this is kind of more of a quick tip, or a tip that's actually going to save you some time when you are actually typing in your chat bot or your messenger bot, and you actually go to hit the return button, and if you don't have this set up, it'll actually just go to the next line. Then you actually have to take your mouse and click onto the send button in order to send that message out. And so to save you some time, especially if you're doing a lot of messaging, you're beginning to build relationships with a lot of people, you want to be able to, as soon as you click that enter button, that message sends out. So that's just something, there's a personal preference one, but you can actually use that to help save you some time. The next one is going to be prompt the people to send messages. Okay, so people that are visiting your page are going to see more ways to be able to send a message to you or to connect with you online, and they're going to do it through that chat window that's going to actually pop up. And once the chat pops up, then they're going to see your greeting text that's on there as well. So this is really going to help, especially if your page is very responsive to messages. You know, there's going to be a real benefit to your leads, your prospects, your customers, your clients that are coming to your page looking to get more information and connect with you. So this is important. You want to be able to prompt people to send that message to you. And the last one here is to show the messenger greeting. So this is actually one of the key components that we talked about here, is to have a messenger greeting pop up when that chat window appears, that you have a little greeting to tell them what to do. Okay, so there's two ways to actually change that information. You can change it here in your back office of your fan page, or you can actually change it in ManyChat. Because they're connected together, they will carry over on either side. But I'm going to show you how to do that in the Messenger ManyChat platform. So we've got these three components that are clicked. We're actually done in the back office of our fan page. So we're going to go over to ManyChat here. So once we're on ManyChat, we're actually going to come down to settings, and I'm going to show you how to set up the greeting text here. So in settings, you're going to see the bot settings that'll actually pop up. The one that we're concerned with right now is the greeting text. You'll see that right here. So it says, hi, first name. Click on the Get Started button below right now. And so that's giving them the call to action, what you want to do when that chat bot comes up, or the chat box comes up. It tells them exactly what to do. And I'll show you that in 1 second here. But to be able to edit this in here and type what you want in, you just click in the box. Okay. Now, I like to use the first name because it's a little bit more personable. When they are actually inside the chat box, they're going to say, hey, hi, John. Hey, Melissa. How's it going? You want to be able to have that connection with them. In order to do that, if you come down here and you don't know how to actually do this, if you click on the parentheses right here, you'll see it says first name, last name, full name. You can actually do some other stuff. There's other different types of inserts that you can put in here that would give them, these are the global inserts that draw that information off of their channel and propagate it into here. So if I do this and click on first name, it's going to actually first name, last name, full name. And if I click off to the side, you'll see that box pops up there. Now, obviously, we don't want to use that. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to save that. So this is actually what I'm saving here. And this is actually how it looks on the phone when your chatbot pops in there. So on the phone, when the Messenger chatbot pops up, it says, hey, Bob, click the Get Started button below now. And so it tells them what to do. So I've had many people over the course of using this that will actually show up on my Messenger page because I didn't have this set up right, and they don't know what to do. It just shows up there and they go, okay, well, that's Messenger. That's very nice, but what do I do? And then they'll just click off and go somewhere else. So you want to give them a call to action so they know where they're going to. So they're going to click that Get Started button. And what that does, when they click the Get Started button, it actually gives you the permissions, the rights to actually be able to now carry on a conversation with them. But see, until they raise their hand and say, yes, I want to get started, and click that button, you can't actually carry on a conversation. You can't send them links. You can't do those kind of things. So this is really an important feature. That's why you want this set up in there right. So that's the first thing. That's the first key element that you want to set up on your bots, is to make sure that you have a greeting text in there. The next is if you come over here to automation, click on automation on the left-hand side here. It's going to bring up, this is actually your main menu. We'll talk about that in 1 second. But the other one we want to look at right now is your welcome message. Okay, so I just redid the welcome message. You can see it's really cool because we've got out of 101 people, 100 of these have been delivered. So 99% of those have been delivered, and you've got a 100% open rate on that. Now, I just added some more components to this. I only had one button on here before, and people weren't clicking on it, so we've changed it up. I'll probably come back to this in a few weeks and see what my stats are for this. I know this is going to change now because I'm offering a few more options, and those options are actually better for the people. I had a really long text in here before, and I kind of walked them through, and it was actually to take them over to my Facebook group, which they weren't doing. So we've changed this up now, and this is really how I'm going to start using this from now on. It's a great way for you to be able to set this up. So once you're in here, you're going to actually edit the flow here. I've got this in the basic builder. There's actually two things in here. So we've got your basic builder, which you can see, which you can do it right here, or you can go to the flow builder. I like using the flow builder because you can kind of see the flow of what's happening here. And when you click on each one of these messages or each one of these tabs, it actually opens up to the left-hand side here and then allows you to edit that particular message box or what's going on in there. So this is the welcome message. So once they click on that Get Started button I just showed you, this will pop up. The message will automatically, so it doesn't matter where you are, when they do this, if you're sleeping, if you're, on vacation, whatever's happening, they're going to get this welcome message from you. So it's very responsive. And again, it starts that communication process, which is really good to build that relationship with your customer, your client. So in that, it says, hello, first name. Thanks for reaching out and connecting. Hope you're doing well. Click on the buttons below to start, or just send a message with one of your questions that you have for us. So, and right here, I've got it set up. I'm growing my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, we talk a lot about leveraging social media, having the tips, the tools, and the training to be able to leverage social media to grow your online or network marketing business. We talk about passive income in there, how you can actually set up a passive or residual income where whether you're working or whether you're playing or hanging out, friends, family, sleeping, whatever you're doing, you're going to get money coming in on a regular basis. We talk about those types of things on my YouTube channel. I'm growing my YouTube channel right now. So this is a good place for me to actually send them to, so they're going to get some more value, good information to help them to grow their business online. That's the key of this. We want to offer value. We want to build that, what we call the KLT factor, the know, like, and trust factor. As we're doing that, the chances of people doing business with us are that much greater. So really important for there. So I'm sending them there. The other option I send them to is my blog. On my blog, I've got different posts and pages. I've got some free training over there. On my homepage there, I've actually got a video, welcome video on my homepage that kind of describes a little bit about what we're doing in my website, on my blog there. And then I offer them, because I'm using social media to grow my business, I've got a lot of what I do is in Instagram. And, I've grown a fairly large following in Instagram right now, and I'm offering a free book on the front page of my website. So again, more value that I'm giving to them. I'm sending them to more value first. So the thing is, what you want to do is offer value. A lot of people will come in here and just say, well, buy my stuff, buy my stuff. Well, you want to build some value in order to be able to do that. That will come later, and you can actually use this to be able to do this. But once you get them in your chatbot, then it's just like an email autoresponder. Now you can actually drip feed them content and then actually give them offers to actually bring them to a place where they're actually going to do business with you. So that's the other place I'm sending them to. Now, the third option here is for the grab the freebies. Okay, so when they click on this to grab the freebies, it's actually going to send them to a series of messages that's going to deliver that freebie to them, depending on what it is. And I'll show that to you right here. So let's go ahead and click done on that. We're going to open up this message box here. So here's the series of messages that will come in. So the first message after they click on the freebie button will show up here. So this ebook reveals the key to master attraction marketing. In this ebook, you're going to learn the ninja secrets to magnetically attracting leads and creating residual income. Hey, the people that are coming to my site, that are engaging with me, that are wanting to grow their online business, this is something of value to them. So there's a good chance that they're going to click on that. Gives me another opportunity to actually connect and to build that rapport with them. Then 10 seconds is going to go by. There's some delay time. The next message is going to pop up, okay? And that one I've got a free guide, and that's a 7-step guide to get leads from Facebook. I've been using this now for probably about a year now, getting some tremendous results from Facebook groups and generating leads and then growing my own group from that. A good friend of mine, Gavin Mountford, has put this together. He's an incredible marketer, been my mentor for the last year or so now, learned a ton from him. We're working together on this project and several others, but that's just another way to get them in. It's a freebie. It definitely gives the value necessary to actually start seeing results right away. So that's pretty cool tool right there as well. 10 seconds will go by, and then the next one. I'm using ClickFunnels. This next one's for a free 2-week ClickFunnels trial. ClickFunnels is an amazing platform. Been using it now for probably for a couple of years now, using it to deliver content, but also to walk people through the process, the funnel building process, to where I can bring them in, capture their information, warm them up, give them content, and build that relationship with them through that sales funnel process there, and then offer them my products and services at the end of that. But ClickFunnels is an amazing tool, and growing day by day. It's going to be probably become the norm in the online marketing space as far as delivering content. Russell set it up to where those people that are actually using their tools, and they've had hundreds of people actually join their 2 Comma Club, which is people that have made over $1 million using a ClickFunnels. So just a great tool to be able to build your business. If you're looking for that, you can head over to my Messenger chatbot and click on that, and that'll give you a 2-week free trial for that as well. Encourage you to jump into ClickFunnels, amazing platform. So that's the welcome message there that's going to be delivered to them through the chatbot there. And then the last thing I want to show you, which is the third key component of what your Messenger bot needs to have, is going to be the main menu. So this is important as well. Now you're going to see that the main menu is very similar to what we just did in the welcome message, because I've got a key or a core component of materials and places where I want to send my leads to build those relationships. And so I'm using the same thing. I wanted it to be consistent as I'm going through. So if somebody clicks on one area, they're going to get the same message they click on another area. I know for a long time, I spent a lot of time doing a lot of different things and sending people all different places. So I'm trying now to kind of focus a little bit better and make sure that I'm building that rapport in the same places. So this is the main menu. I'll show you where that resides on your chatbot as well in just a second, but it has the same components here. So they can send them to my YouTube, my blog. They're going to get the freebies. There's that secret weapon, the free Facebook training, the ClickFunnels there. This is kind of what it looks like on your phone if you look over here to the right. So at the very bottom, and this is kind of a swipe up. So this is actually will be hidden down below, but you see the little bar there. And so if somebody swipes up on that, they get that information. On the phone, we're seeing more people actually using this there than probably on the computer, but it still gets used on a computer as well. So, but that's just a great way, another place of contact, another touch, another place to give value. So you want to make sure that is set up as well. Key component in your building your business online through ManyChat and the Messenger marketing platform here. So let me show you what this actually looks like on your fan page then. So if I click on the fan page here, I've got this set up right now to actually be able to use this as a visitor would actually see my fan page. So as a visitor would come to my fan page, you know, they're scrolling through this, they're going to see this, and the key thing that you want to have is, again, a way for people to actually chat. Now, let me see if this happens when I refresh this. Okay, that's what I wanted. That was one of the toggle buttons that we pushed. See how as soon as somebody comes to my fan page for the first time, or my fan page anytime, a messenger bot's going to pop up. My messenger, the chat bot, again, we want to be able to connect with them right away. So they're going to say, wow, that chat bot just came up and it says, hey, hello, Bob. Thanks for visiting. Oh, let me back you up a little bit. So that's not what it's actually going to say. Let me do this. So this is if somebody's returning to my fan page, they're going to see this message in here. But if they're new to it, let me just go ahead and clear this. Let me delete the conversation. So once that's deleted, I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page. So if somebody's brand new that shows up on my fan page, hey, I want to check out that Bob Brown guy, what he's up to. You know, I see him posting a lot of stuff out there. You know, what's he doing right now? So they click on my fan page, okay, and in a matter of seconds, boom, there's that message up there. And then on that message, I told you there's that greeting text, really important, because a lot of people will come here, and if that greeting text is not in here, they really don't know what to do with this. And so it says here, hi, Bob, click that Get Started button below now. When they come down here to click Get Started, boom, immediately, there you go. There's that welcome message. Okay, there's the welcome message in there. Welcome them to my page, beginning that rapport. How can we help you? You can click one of the buttons below to get started, or just leave me a message. So they're going to see that right away. Now, the main menu that shows up here is in this 3 lines right here. That's what they call the hamburger. It resides below. This is on your desktop or laptop. And once you click on that, it'll actually bring these up as well. There are those 3 options for them. Subscribe to YouTube, visit my blog, or get the freebies. And if they click on the get the freebies, there are the freebies right there. And they click on those, it'll take them directly over to where they need to go on that as well. So let's go ahead and get out of that. Let's get out of that. And that's it. So those are the 3 key components that you must have on your Messenger chatbots. And so these are really important to begin to generate lead sales and signups for your business or your products there, but to build that rapport. The more options that you give people to connect with you, a place of touch, the more business that you're going to create. Again, this is not about just selling something just yet, but to build that relationship, build that rapport. And as you're doing that, again, we talked about the KLT factor, know, like, and trust. They're going to do business with you. So I hope this video helped you out. If it has, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Make sure that you leave me a comment below. Tell me what you like best about this particular video, and then do me a big favor and share this with somebody else, because I know, like you, that there's a lot of people that don't know a whole lot about the chatbots right now. We're just seeing a rise with chatbots. More and more marketers online are starting to use them, and we're seeing a lot of great success from them. So share this with somebody. And until the next video, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye now. Well, there you have it, my friends. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Listen, I wanted to let you know that we also, I am working with a partner right now, Eva Hellstead, and we are actually putting together a bots training program. And so if you want to get on the early bird list for that, there's going to be a link underneath this video, and so you can actually click on that, get on the early bird, and as soon as we get that set up and ready to go, you'll be one of the first ones to be notified on that. We've got some amazing training coming up for you guys. Really excited about it. We've got a, I'll also leave, we have another fan page that you can actually jump onto, our bots for online marketers. We've just set that up, and you can actually get in on that as well. We're putting some training in there, so make sure you get signed up for that, and make sure you get on that early bird list if you want to use messenger chatbots to grow your business in 2019. So you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you real soon. Bye now.